Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up, invite, and schedule a Zoom meeting right from your phone. It's really simple once you get the hang of it. Make sure to stick around till the end, and please subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. First, open the Zoom app on your phone and tap Sign In at the bottom right corner. Enter your email and password, then tap Sign In again. Once you're logged in, you'll see several options. Tap on the new meeting icon, which looks like an orange camera. Then, tap Start a Meeting to begin. You'll now be inside your video conference room. When prompted, tap OK to allow Zoom to access your camera and microphone. If you'd rather stay muted or off camera, you can tap Cancel instead. Now that your meeting has started, tap Participants at the bottom of the screen, then tap Invite. A pop-up menu will appear with several ways to invite people. You can send invites through email, text message, contacts, or by copying the meeting link to share anywhere you like. If you tap Send Email, your email app will open with a pre-written message. Just add the recipients and send. If you tap Send Message, your texting app will open with the meeting details ready to go. You can also tap Copy, Invite Link, and paste it into WhatsApp, Telegram, or any app you prefer. If you want to invite people directly from your Zoom contacts, tap Invite Contacts. But first, you'll need to add them. To add contacts, open the Zoom app, go to the Contacts tab at the bottom, tap the plus sign, then select Add a Contact. Enter their email address and tap OK. They'll receive an email invitation to connect with you. Once they accept, you can easily invite them to future meetings directly from the app. Now, if you want to schedule a Zoom meeting in advance on your phone, here's how. Open the Zoom app again and tap the schedule icon. It looks like a blue calendar. Fill in your meeting details like topic, date, time, and duration. You can also choose to require a password, turn video on or off, or adjust advanced settings. Next, choose which calendar you'd like to use. For example, Google Calendar Outlook, or your default phone calendar. Then tap Done, and your meeting will automatically appear in your calendar. From there, tap Invitees allows Zoom to access your contacts and select who you want to invite. Once everything looks good, tap Add to finalize the scheduling. And that's it! You've just learned how to start, invite, and schedule a Zoom meeting using your phone. Whether you're hosting a work meeting, a class, or just catching up with friends, this method works perfectly every time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.